Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you where you can find leaderboards in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Warzone, and then just click here on Barracks. And when you're gonna be here, click here on Records, and you're gonna see like the leaderboards here. And you can like see on Warzone like who is the top one. It's going to load and load and load. Can go like here, 72 days time played. That's like too much. How many hours is it? 72 24. Damn, crazy, right? I would be really interesting if I could see how many hours they played, like who played the most on. But there can be like multiple people on one account, right? But this is how you can find leaderboards in Call of Duty. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.